In this video I will show you how to change the battery on a Razor Power Core E100. For the Razor Power Core E100 you will need to remove the 6 Phillips screws from the upper deck using a manual or electric screwdriver. Once you remove the footplate you will need to remove the bar that keeps the battery in place using your Phillips screwdriver to remove 2 screws. Once you remove the screws, move the bar and the foam away from the battery. Disconnect the motor cable for ease of access. Then remove the battery so you have access to the cables to the reset switch. Remove the red and black cables. Then disconnect the battery. Ensure both batteries are removed. Reconnect the motor cable. Insert the batteries in the position you removed them from. Reconnect both cables to the reset switch with the red cable above the black cable. Finally connect the battery with the white switch. Please ensure all cables are neatly tucked away so that the deck plate can lie flat. Next, replace the protective foam along with the battery bar, securing with 2 screws. Replace the deck plate, securing with the 6 Phillips screws. You now would have changed the Power Core E100 battery.